Do you want to hold space in your hands? Or stretch ketchup? Or knead the sea? Does it sound weird? No way! Make incredible slimes and prank your friends! What is this stuff in my friend's hands? Is it Play-Doh? I'd also like to play with it. Spray shaving cream in a bowl. Add blue coloring. Pour in white glue. Mix it up. Add a little detergent for washing. Stir with a wooden stick until thick and sticky. Stretch and roll up the slime and feel your stress fade away. Put it in an empty Play-Doh container. Add orange coloring to the other slime. It's so bright and soft. We've got 2 colored slimes. Enjoy playing with them. I suggest molding in clay, but there's something stretchy and sticky instead of the clay in the Play-Doh cans. It doesn't look like clay. No, it's slime. I enjoy stretching mine, but my friend can't do anything with hers. It's not her lucky day. Do you want to make your breath fresh? Take a Tic Tac. Do you want some fun? Take Tic Tac slime. Make the mints first. Take white air-drying clay. Roll it up. Separate it into small pieces. Shape it like Tic Tac mints. The clay keeps its shape when dry and looks like foam plastic. The fake candies look exactly like Tic Tac mints. Now, let's make slime. Pour clear stationery glue in a bowl. Put in some glitter. Stir with a wooden stick. Add some water. Watch the sparkly mixture flow around the bowl. Just look at how the shining particles glow in the bubbling liquid. Don't you want to meditate? Add a little borax as a thickening agent. Mix it up until thick and stretchy. The mixture's transformed into soft and stretchy slime. Wow! It looks as if we stretched jellyfish. The transparent film is shimmering fantastically in your hands. Add the fake Tic Tac. Wrap the slime and knead it. Put it in the Tic Tac box. Oh, you've got Tic Tacs! Give me a mint. It smells strangely, and the candies don't scatter around. There's something wrong. My friend takes the weird mint stuff out of the box. Oh, it's slime. You certainly can't eat it, but you can knead it as long as you wish. French fries is another smart prank idea. We can dress it with ketchup or hot cheese, whichever you wish. Make the French fries from thick foam plastic painted yellow. Add a golden brown crust by dabbing the corners with a sponge. Use orange paint. Cut out the bottom from a flat plastic bottle to make a package. Decorate it with a red foam rubber sheet. Mark the outline with a toothpick and cut it out. Hot glue and add a yellow letter M. The French fries are ready. Be sure to order ketchup. Add red coloring in a bowl with hair gel and clear stationery glue. Mix it up. Put in some borax. We've made an awesome slime ketchup. Perfect! It doesn't leave stains on your clothes. It can make a cool filter for a food photo or for a portrait shot. It stretches incredibly to transform into a thin red film. You can also make a thin strip to create different patterns. It works as a perfect stress reliever. Put the slime into the box and tuck the French fries in it. Do you want French fries with ketchup? Or perhaps you'd better get it with melted cheese. Hurry up! Make up your mind as long as there's a choice. We've made a bright yellow slime based on shaving cream, white glue, and washing detergent. Put it into the package. The French fries won't scatter even if the package turns over. Replace real French fries for fake ones. Your friend's looking forward to getting her favorite snack. What's wrong? There's no tempting smell. It has a different texture, and in addition, there's something sticky on the bottom. Is it a new Happy Meal ingredient? I've got a special dessert for you. It's a multi-layer cocktail. Spray shaving cream into a bowl. Pour in white glue. Add red coloring. Stir with a wooden stick. It looks tempting like strawberry cream, though we strongly recommend not eating it. Pour in some detergent for washing. Continue mixing to watch the foam transforming into slime. Put the pink slime into a tall plastic cup. Make the other slime in the same way, adding yellow coloring instead. The banana slime looks like stretching marshmallow, sorbet, and ice cream at the same time. It's so soft!